The easiest way to get spooky glam witch lips for Halloween is apply purple lipstick in the form of devilish shape and then a duochrome or a multichrome sparkly pigment, but instead of just admiring it, cover it with a black liquid lipstick in the form of a spider web. And here's your glam witch makeup. More ideas on my page.
Let's try out the viral Beetlejuice lips.
Some did in green, some in purple, and some in white, so of course we're going to do all the three, just a little lip art twist. And now the most fun part, crinkle your lips and tap 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 on a black eyeshadow. Don't forget the edges and the purple and green parts.
I love it! Oh my, it worked so well. Just need to do the black outline. And done! Would you try out these Beetlejuice lips?
An easy hack to guess a spooky siren or even dragon skin lips is to outline a devilish shape, fill it in with black liquid lipstick, take a fishnet, apply duochrome or multichrome pigment on top. This way you will get the scales mine and not very well visible. I recommend using a thicker net and following my page for more ideas. The easiest way to create duochrome and spooky lips is to outline your lips, almost leaving some space in the middle for the snake's heads and tails. Fill in the snakes with green and the lips with purple and start applying the duochrome pigments on top of the snakes and the lips. Outline the snakes again. Carve your lips with foundation, add some speckles, and you're being so trendy with your makeup, multi-chroming this Halloween. More ideas on my page. Remember how the Corpse Bride movie starts with a blue butterfly? Well, so does the Corpse Bride lip art. Then we're going straight to the green maggot. Don't forget his cute eyes, lips, and teeth. Share this with a friend who loves Corpse Bride. The makeup continues with a blue to blue ombre and the wedding dress with gray lace details. Fill in the ombre on the upper lip as well and paint the black wiggly branches. Add the foundation for the negative space makeup. Leave me a blue emoji if you enjoyed this tutorial.